couple of viewers have asked me to show what the difference between night vision and thermal vision is. I have thermal vision and it detects heat, and night vision detects light. So as you see here, you're looking at a tree and the tree is cold. So I'm going to put my hand on it and warm it up, and you'll see that it will leave a heat print from my hand. So as you watch it, as my heat print slowly gets cooler, as the tree cools it down, you'll see it go away. So that was a real quick demo of what the difference is, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Thanks. I think I got him, but I think he's hurt. Well, he might be gone. It's gone now. Got him. That's 4.